Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you a website where you can get access to 45,000 plus phones, and these phones are regularly updated. You can get 1 million plus graphics, almost 1.5 million graphics just with a small monthly fee. And also I have a special coupon code for you by which you can get their subscription with 30% off. In this website you can see that there is many lots of stuff which you can use for your graphics. As you can see that 3D SVGs, homecraft, coloring books, kids, adults, teaching material, patterns and illustration, more stuff. As you can see that craft, embroidery, tools. Friends, I will also show you that how awesome these tools are. I will show you later. Print on demand bundle and lots of more stuff. Also this website offering freebies, but how you can get this I will show you later. So watch this video till the end. Friends, simply go to YouTube and type IamAgainHere.com and hit the enter button. Now friends, after that you will see my channel here. Simply click on subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will never miss any type of update. Simply click on this channel and click on the video section. Now friends, as you can see that I have lots of videos on different type of deals, coupon and lots of more stuff in my videos. You can see that 30% off, 30% off, 30% off, 1 million plus graphic stuff, how I made 163 with Amazon affiliate, Namecheap discount, lifetime deals. So must visit my channel and also subscribe it for more upcoming future videos. Similarly, go to google.com and type IamAgainHere.com and hit the enter button. After that friends, simply click on here. You can see that IamAgainHere.com. Click here. After that you will see that make money online, lifetime deals. These are the ever best deal in the world because this type of deal you need to pay once in your life and use it forever. These are the mostly monthly subscription deal that you can getting just by paying one time fee. Best hosting for guides, best website. Also I am sharing free stuff, reviews, coupon deals and discounts. So whenever you want any type of lifetime deal, coupon, discount, reviews, simply go to Google, type IamAgainHere.com and land to my website and see what you want. Now let's come to the video. Now friends, let's talk about what you are getting in this awesome website. Friends, this is the website actually for graphic designing, and you can see that in this website you will always find totally graphic stuff with extremely low price and reasonable price. I have also got their subscription, and now I am going to show you some more information about this website, and I will also show you and tell you what I like in this website. Now friends, let's start from the beginning. As you can see, fonts. Friends, in this section you will always find all type of fonts. You can also click on browse all and you will see all fonts of this website within a one place. As you can see that these are the totally eye-catching and amazing fonts. Now friends, as you can see that the normal price of their font is $10, but currently they are offering just for $1. As you can see, keep in mind all the fonts included commercial license, so you don't need to worry about commercial use. You can use them for commercial use at any time. As you can see that. Now friends, if you want to view all fonts, simply click on view all. Now friends, as you can see that page number 1 to 1252, and you can download any font at any time. Link in the description box. Also I will show you how you can get coupon that I have already described to you. Now friends, suppose I want to download this one, simply click on it. Now friends, as you can see that if you want to download just this font, you need to pay $7.99 per month, and if you want to get their all access to font, you need to pay just $19. But I have a special coupon code for you by which you can get their full access to phone mean 45,000 plus phone with a small monthly fee with 30% off. Just watch the video till the end. As you can also see, included commercial license, premium technical support, unlimited downloads. Yes, after buying their subscription, you can download unlimited at any time. So please just watch this video and see amazing offer. Now let's come to the graphic. Friends, in graphic you can see that you will see background, KDP interiors, illustration, logos, product mockup and more. Suppose I am going to product mockup, opening in the new tab, and also I am going into coloring book for kids. Now friends, in mockup, as you can see that cup mockup and t-shirt mockup and also mockup frame, poster, hoodie and lots of more mockup you will find on this website. But if you want to purchase any single item, you can, there is no problem, but I want to suggest you to go and buy their subscription with 30% off, because like if you want to download this one, you need to pay just $10 for single item. But if you want to get their subscription, as you can see that, which is $19 per month, but after applying my special coupon code, you will also getting 30% off. So watch this video, I will show you how. Now friends, similarly from page number 1 to 200 pages and 7,169 mockups available. As you can see that 7,000 mockups available. Now how you can get this, I will show you. Similarly friends, if we come to coloring pages for kids, here also you will see 3,220 results, and from page number 1 to 90, as you can see that. So how you can get all of these. Similarly, if you want to download any of them, you can, but if you will get their subscription, you can download anything at any time. Suppose I am opening this one into new tab. As you can see friends, with 5-star rating and $4 you need to pay just for this single item, in which you will getting all of these. But if you get their subscription, I will show you how you can get everything unlimited. So friends, if we go down and suppose I am going to page number 4, let's see what's here. Now friends, as you can see on page number 4, there are totally eye-catching and amazing, attention-grabbing books. You can also use for your personal and commercial license also affiliated. It means you can sell them on different website, but keep in mind you need to first learn their commercial license terms and condition. Okay, now friends, let's come to craft. I am clicking here. As you can see that popular of this week, it is showing you, and you can see 35,450 plus craft available. And I already told you that these are the website, this is the website where people always uploading more and more stuff. So as you can see that you can download any type of thing, you can read their frequently asked question. Now click on view all craft and let's see. Now friends, as you can see that from page number 1 to 985, as you can see that you will get to access to all craft and you can download anything at any time without any hesitation. Suppose I am keyboard and mouse opening this one. Now friend, as you can see, you can download any craft by their subscription, which you need to pay $12 per month. But again, I am telling you, I have a special code for you by which you can get unlimited download. Yes friends, unlimited. You don't need to be worried about limited. Included commercial license, premium technical support, and what you are getting in this. You can also see their formats. Now friends, let's come to the next part. Now friends, let's come to the tool section of this video, where you are getting phone cloud, shape cloud, web phone generator, the craft Lulu. Now first, let's talk about phone cloud. What is phone cloud? Opening in the new tab. Now friends, in phone cloud, what you are getting, suppose I am going to show you live proof what you are getting inside phone cloud. Friends, now let's talk about what is actually phone cloud. Friends, phone cloud is a tool provided by Creative Fabrica. by which you can see what you can see live preview of your phones. Suppose I am writing my channel name. I am again here.com. As you can see, if you have this font, how will your text look like? As you can see, because I have only one font here, that's why it is showing me this. You can upload your own fonts, upload your own, and also from where you are getting, as I already told you that in this website Creative Fabrica, come to phone and you can download any of them and simply upload them and see what's happening and how it look like this. As you can see that after that you can download font. So this is the awesome tool provided by Creative Fabrica with a small monthly fee, and you don't need to pay extra for it. When you buy their subscription, you will getting full access to the full website. You are also getting full access to unlimited download at any time. Now friends, let's talk about one more feature. Suppose I am going to clicking on Shape Cloud. Now what is this? Friends, Shape Cloud is another amazing and eye-catching tool of Creative Fabrica in which you can get there. You can make different type of shape by adding words here, and you can also upload your own shape. And suppose as you can see that this is the man head. Now suppose I am clicking to this one and it will automatically convert it into it. Upload changes. Now friend, as you can see that after clicking here, I choose here and it is converted into this. Now I am going to telling you the most best part of this website, of this tool, which I like the most, which is color scheme. Simply friends, click here and choose your own color scheme. Suppose I am choosing this one, vitamin C, and click on update changes. Now let's see what happens. Now friends, as you can see that awesome, this is totally awesome. I just click on this one and this is totally changes into it. Now click on any other color scheme. Suppose this time I am clicking circus 3. Choose this, click on update changes. Live. Now see live preview what happened. Now friends, as you can see that it is totally changed into this. Now I am going to add some words for removing some words. Now I am going to add my own website name. I am again here.com. Here. Subscribe my channel. Now friends, as you can see that I have included more words. Now click on update changes. Now friends, as you can see that here you will find I am again here. Subscribe to my channel. As you can see that this is totally awesome font. Suppose now I am going to changing this shape. Suppose I am clicking nature, and in nature I am clicking this one. Now click on update changes and let's see what happened. As you can see that friends, it is totally changed into this one, and also you can get their single color scheme from here. Now I am changing this complete icon into green, dark green. Click on update changes. Now friends, as you can see, it is totally changed into one simple color. After that you can click on download design and you can download your design in any format, PNG, SVG, PDF, and download all just within one click. Now friends, I hope you will understand what is actually Shape Cloud of Creative Fabrica. Now friends, come to the third tool, which is web font generator. Click on it. Now friends, after that you will land to this page. In this, with as you can see that free web font generator, with our web font generator you can easily convert your OTF and TTF font file to usable web fonts. You can understand it friends. I don't have any much interest in this tool, so if you have interest you can visit by yourself, link in the description box. Now friends, after that you will find the option of print on demand. Click on it. Now friends, what is POD? Friends, print on demand. POD means print on demand. These are the stuff which you can use on print on demand website. If you don't know about print on demand, let me know in the comment. I will make a video on it. Print on demand, as you can see, collection of 20,000 plus. Sorry, no 20,000, 2 lakh plus print on demand graphics on this website, as you can see. If you click here, you will see all the graphics. So friends, from page number 1 to 5607, as you can see, you will have all stuff which you can download at any time. Suppose I am going to page number 5600. Now friends, as you can see that in this website, actually the content is so different from other, and their price is also reasonable, and especially if you have a coupon code. Now friends, as you can see, suppose I am clicking on this one root icon. Now friends, it is showing me to download because I have their subscription. And now what included: commercial license, premium technical support, unlimited download, same as other. Now the next section is bundle. As you can see that bundle. Now click on bundle. Now friends, the best graphic design and font bundle, as you can see. In this bundle you will getting 1317 bundle, and similarly you can download all at any time, like 400 plus just in one, just for $8. Click on it. Let's see what's inside. Now friends, you can see 5-star reviews. You can getting all of these 400 plus in one mega craft bundle with SVG, DXF format, PNG and EPS format. Similarly, unlimited download, premium technical support, commercial license included, high quality. Now friends, as you can see that. Now friends, let's come to the final remarks of this video and my opinion about this website. Before ending this video, I want to tell you I have also write a review about this website. Simply go to my website iamagainhere.com, click on reviews. After that, you will find Creative Fabrica review. Friend, this is my honest review and unbiased review. This is not a sponsored post. Simply go down and click on Creative Fabrica subscription review. 30% off for lifetime. Now what is 30% off for lifetime mean? I will let you know. Now friends, you can read all this review if you want by yourself, and also you can satisfy yourself before buying their subscription. Now friends, let's talk about my final remarks about this website. Friends, this is the only website which offering you the best stuff in the internet, because this website have million of graphics, in craft stuff in lakh, and more stuff in thousand, but they are offering a small monthly fee. Now let's talk about coupon code from which you are watching this video. Now friends, let's talk about their pricing plan. Friends, as you can see, if you want to get just craft access, you need to pay $12 for 3 months. But I have a special coupon code for you, which I will tell you later how you can get that. Also, if you want to get just fonts, you need to pay $19 per month. And similarly, if you want to get just graphic, you need to pay $19 per month. But if you want to get full access, in which including 45,000 plus fonts, 1.5 million graphic assets, 3 lakh plus, 35,000 plus cutout files, and more stuff, commercial license included in all, as you can see that. Commercial license included in all. Now how you can get this, friends? Simply go to Google and type iamagainhere.com, and after that you will need to type Creative Fabrica subscription. Now friends, hit the enter button. As you can see that this is Creative Fabrica all access subscription. This is the ad, but this is my website where you can getting. Friends, keep in mind this is special coupon code for you. You will never find this coupon code on any other place on the internet. So keep in mind that this is special coupon code. Simply click on here, and you can also go to my website and click on coupon discount deals. And in this section, you will find more discount like Namecheap discount, AppSumo discount, Udemy discount, Bluehost, Spin Rewriter coupon code, and here you can see that Creative Fabrica all access subscription. But click now, friends, either you are landing on this page or either you are landing on this page. Simply click on copy this code and also click on copy this code and click on go to the deal. You must need to click here, go to the deal. Friends, when you click on this and click on go to the deal, you will be landing to this page. So choose any of the plan in which you are interested. My special coupon code for you will work on any of them. Now suppose I am getting this one. Get started, and I will let you know what you need to do next. Now friends, after that you need to create your any account. When you click on your account, simply click on have a coupon code. You will find maybe here coupon code option or here. Simply paste that coupon code which you copied from my website. Click on apply. Now friends, you can see that the $29 plan you are getting just for $20 per month. As you can see that you are getting this plan just for $20 per month, and you don't need to pay $29 again. Friends, the discount is valid for lifetime and you don't need to pay anything extra for it. Just click on proceed to check out. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next.